Hello guys, welcome back. So, if your Rheem Tankless Water Heater is having ignition problems or shutting off unexpectedly, a dirty flame rod could be the reason behind it. The flame rod plays a critical role in detecting whether the burner flame is active, and if it gets covered with carbon or residue, the system may fail to recognize the flame properly. This can lead to the heater not staying on or not heating water consistently. The good thing is that cleaning the flame rod is a simple maintenance task that can restore normal operation without needing any major repairs. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to clean the flame rod in your Rheem tankless water heater safely and effectively. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the power and gas supply to the water heater. Step 2. Open the front panel to access internal components. Step 3. Locate the flame rod near the burner assembly. Step 4. Remove the flame rod carefully, using the proper tool. Step 5. Clean the rod gently with a soft cloth or fine sandpaper. Step 6. Reinstall the flame rod and restore power to test the unit.